manurot ang daan na patoy gamay sulod. Hi, Alberto. Hi, beautiful. How are you? I'm fine. Murag gamay akong napalit. Tanawa daw. Tanawa pila ka ml. Pero, pila?
500. Pila mo na, ma?
500. Hello, Mansing Percoro. Wow. Super wow. Chubby, I like this. Yeah, I'm so chubby na. Mansing. How much was the cost for your nails? Hand and feet is worth 1K. This is 500 pesos, and also my feet is 500 pesos. Overall is 1,000 pesos. Do you have a budget? No, I don't have a budget now, Philip Morgan. My name is Imyat. Good morning, everyone. Good morning to you, Aliknar. Thank you for coming again. Do you need a sponsor for your family? Yeah, of course. Philip. If you want to give me money to change my nails, then why not? I'm from Philippines, Hasman. Double tap, guys. Guys. Okay.